Hello traders, today I want to show you a simple day trading Forex strategy. You can also call it a method using market structure and levels of support and resistance. Here we are on Euro USD 15 minutes time frame. Now the first thing I do, yes, on this time frame is to define the trend. Is it bullish, bearish, or are we going sideways? In this example, I guess it is clear to see that we are in an uptrend. We have higher highs, higher lows. And I'm looking for buys, but now I do something strange. I switch to the line chart, because here we can clearly see the closing prices and we closed above the highest closing price. And now we see the lag from this low to this current high. We don't know if it is going higher, but at the moment this is the highest closing price and it is above the closing price of the previous high. That's important. And now you see this red area here. This is where price is cheap if we want to buy, okay? It is below 50% of the lag's range. And now comes the point. In this area, we're searching for levels where price can find support to go up again. So go ahead and mark these key levels, these closing prices on the line chart, and wait for price to come back to these levels and see if they are respected. If price is not closing below on the 15 minutes time frame, you can play this on any time frame, and the higher the time frame, the more significant is the level. Now when price comes back to a level that I marked and is closing below, then I regard this level, at least for the moment, as invalid. Okay, now let's see in the replay what happens. Okay, now price comes to this level and it is pretty exactly stopping at this point. Now for some guys this is the entry, and I don't say that this is wrong. It is risky, but it is not wrong. It is a way to go, because here we have the first indication that this level is relevant. Now let's assume we enter here and the stop loss perhaps to the latest swing low and the take profit to the previous resistance. Okay, now I play out the trade and you see it is a pretty good risk to reward, 1 to 2.4. If you want to play this a bit more safe, then we can drop to a lower time frame, for example the 5 minutes. And then you see when price arrives at the level and is respecting it, we can have a look at price action like a candlestick pattern, bullish engulfing, a pin bar, and then enter the trade with a little bit more confirmation. The stop loss can be set as before to the previous swing low, or when you set it to a very risky one like that, you can make a nice profit here with a risk to reward of almost 1 to 5. I don't say that this is always that profitable, of course not, but being able to define levels like that can really give you an edge for your trading. So have a look at this. This is just a previous closing price, a peak in the chart that was broken to the upside and now works as support. Price didn't want to close below, but you want to see this behavior on the time frame of your level. From this point you can utilize lower time frames, and on this you want to see a bullish behavior in this case, or you can even wait for a bullish market structure on this lower time frame to be established. For this you can use the same technique with the line chart. You wait for a fractal, a peak in the chart to be taken, and then you try to find an entry at previous levels. And of course, use price action. But I will elaborate on this topic even more in one of the next videos. By the way, I can highly recommend to join our Discord, and in the member section I share levels and setups for these pairs every single day. This was today for US 500, the S&P. These were the levels to which I saw the price come in, and this is how it played out. Looks like magic, but it isn't. The link to the Discord is in the description. Check it out. You can ask me anything before you join the membership. If you are a day trader and you need a good broker with low commissions and low spreads, I can highly recommend Hankotrade. The leverage is up to 500. It is very easy to register. The link to the website is in the description. Register, you don't need KYC documents. Give it a try. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to join our Discord. If you have any questions, then add these to the comments below. Also follow me on Twitter, where I'm sharing trading ideas, and I'll see you in the next one here on the Trading Guide.